Arthur, the Oni Warrior.
Hi, Beshi Kids, it's your Oni Warriors intro and there! 1, 2, 3, go! We are, English is fun?
Yes!
Every lesson?
We will learn. We will have some fun.
Alright, go into me again and you know about it. Hi, good afternoon, my name is Irving. Good evening, Adorana. And I'm a member of Oni Warriors.
I'm Adrian Granadianan and one of members of Oni Warriors.
I am the leader of Oni Warriors. I am the judge and I am the member of Oni Warriors. I'm Crystal Dinelli Ituban and I'm the one member of Oni Warriors. I'm Ian Diaz Kapalimayor and I'm a member of Oni Warriors. I am Bernardino and I am the member of Oni Warriors.
I am Janner Beta and I am a member of Oni Warriors.
And we